Good morning. Welcome to the airport. May I see your passport, please?
Good morning. Yes, here is my passport.
Thank you. Where are you flying today?
I am flying to London.
Great. Do you have your ticket or booking number?
Yes, I have an e-ticket on my phone. Here it is.
Perfect. Let me check. Okay, I found your booking. Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please put your suitcase on the scale.
Sure. Is the weight okay?
Yes, it's fine. Your bag is within the limit.
That's good.
Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
I would like a window seat, please.
No problem. Here is your boarding pass. Your seat number is 14A.
Thank you. What time is the boarding?
Boarding starts at 10:30 a.m. Your gate number is 5.
Okay. Where is gate 5?
Go straight, then turn left. You will see the signs.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Do you have any liquids or electronics in your bag?
Yes, I have a laptop in my bag.
Please take it out at security check.
Okay, I understand.
Have a nice flight.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello, welcome to our cafe. What would you like today?
Hi, I would like a cup of coffee, please.
Sure. What kind of coffee would you like?
I'm not sure. What do you recommend?
Our cappuccino is very popular. It's smooth and not too strong.
That sounds good. I will have a cappuccino.
Great choice. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Would you like sugar or milk in your coffee?
Yes, a little sugar and some milk, please.
No problem. Would you like anything to eat?
Yes, I would like a chocolate muffin.
Perfect. Anything else?
No, that's all.
Your total is $5.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please wait for a few minutes.
Okay.
After a short time, here is your cappuccino and your muffin.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee.
It smells very nice.
I'm glad you like it. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Hi, Sarah. What are you doing?
Hi, Sarah. I am reading a book.
Oh, nice. Do you like reading?
Yes, I love reading. It is my favorite hobby.
That's great. What kind of books do you read?
I like storybooks and adventure books. They are very interesting.
That sounds fun. I like hobbies too.
Really? What is your hobby?
I enjoy painting. I like to draw and use colors.
Wow, that's creative. When do you paint?
I usually paint in the evening or on weekends.
That's nice. Do you paint at home?
Yes, I have a small art corner in my room.
That's cool. I want to try painting someday.
You should. It is relaxing and fun.
Maybe you can teach me.
Of course, I can help you.
Thank you. Do you have any other hobbies?
Yes, I also like listening to music.
Me too. Music is amazing.
What do you do in your free time?
I read books or watch movies.
That sounds like a good way to relax.
Yes, hobbies make us happy.
I agree. Hobbies are very important in life.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. How can I help you?
I am looking for a blue shirt.
Sure. What size do you need?
I need a medium size.
Okay. Please follow me. The shirts are over here.
Thank you.
Here are some blue shirts. Do you like any of these?
Yes, I like this one. Can I try it?
Yes, you can. The fitting room is on the right.
Great, thank you.
Take your time.
After trying, I like the shirt, but it is a little big.
No problem. Let me find a smaller size for you.
Thank you so much.
Here is a small size. Please try this one.
Okay, I will try it.
After a moment, how is it now?
It fits well. I like it.
That's great.
How much is this shirt?
It is $20.
Okay, I will take it.
Please come to the counter.
Sure.
Do you want to pay by cash or card?
I will pay by card.
Thank you. Here is your receipt.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Hello, can you help me, please?
Of course. What do you need?
I have a headache. Can you recommend some medicine?
Sure. Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have any allergies.
Okay, I suggest this painkiller. Take 1 tablet every 6 hours.
Thank you. Can I buy it now?
Yes, of course. Do you need anything else?
Yes, I also have a cold. Can you recommend something?
Sure. You can take this cold medicine. Take 1 spoon 3 times a day.
Okay. Do I need a prescription?
No, this one is over the counter.
Great. How much is it for both?
It's $15 for the painkiller and $10 for the cold medicine.
Here is $25.
Thank you. Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Please follow the instructions on the label.
I will. Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you. Hello. Is this bus stop for the city center?
Yes, it is. Are you going there too?
Yes, I need to go to the city center.
Great. I take this bus every morning.
Really? How long does it take to get there?
About 30 minutes, depending on the traffic.
Okay, thank you. Do buses come often?
Yes, a bus comes every 10 minutes.
That's good. I don't want to wait too long.
Me too. Do you take this bus every day?
No, only a few times a week. I usually walk, but today I am late.
I understand. I sometimes walk too, but it's faster by bus.
Yes, it's more convenient. Do you work in the city?
Yes, I work in an office. And you?
I am a teacher.
That's nice. How was your day so far?
It's good. I'm a little tired, but it's okay.
I know the feeling.
Oh, here comes the bus.
Yes, let's get ready.
Thank you for talking with me.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hi, David. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine. It's a nice day, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The sun is shining and the sky is clear.
I love sunny days. They make me feel happy.
Me too. But sometimes it's too hot in the afternoon.
That's true. I prefer mornings when it's cooler.
What about tomorrow? Do you know the weather?
I checked the weather app. It will be cloudy and maybe rain in the evening.
Oh, I should take an umbrella then.
Yes, it's better to be safe.
Do you like rainy days?
Sometimes, yes. I like the sound of rain, but I don't like getting wet.
I understand. I enjoy rain too, especially with a warm drink.
That sounds nice. What's your favorite season?
I like spring. The weather is mild and flowers bloom everywhere.
I love spring too. Everything feels fresh and colorful.
Yes, it's beautiful.
I hope the weather stays nice this week.
Me too. It's always good when the sun is shining.
Hi, James. Can I ask you something?
Hi, Olivia. Sure. What is it?
I need a notebook for my English class. Can I borrow one from you?
Of course. I have an extra notebook.
Thank you so much. I will return it tomorrow.
That's fine. Do you want a small or a large notebook?
A small one is good, please.
Okay, here it is.
Thank you. You are very kind.
No problem. I'm happy to help.
I forgot my pen, too. Can I borrow one?
Sure, here's a blue pen.
Great. This will help me a lot.
Don't worry, just make sure to give them back.
Yes, I promise. Thank you again.
You're welcome. Do you need anything else?
No, that's all. I really appreciate your help.
Anytime, Olivia. Friends help each other.
I agree. I hope I can help you next time.
I'm sure you will.
Okay, I will see you tomorrow to return the notebook.
Perfect. Have a good day, Olivia.
You too, James. Hi, James. Can you help me with my workout?
Hi, Olivia. Sure. What do you want to do today?
I want to improve my strength and fitness.
Great. Let's start with some warm-up exercises.
Okay, what should I do first?
Let's start with 5 minutes on the treadmill. Walk fast, but comfortably.
All right, I will start.
Good. After that, we will do some stretching and light weights.
Sounds good. I'm a little nervous about using the machines.
Don't worry. I will show you how to use them safely.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
You're welcome. Fitness is about practice and patience.
How often should I come to the gym?
I recommend 3 to 4 times a week for beginners.
Okay, I can do that.
After the treadmill, we will do squats and push-ups. I will guide you step by step.
Great, I'm ready.
Excellent. Remember to drink water and take breaks if needed.
I will. Thank you for helping me.
Anytime, Olivia. Let's get started.
Hello, Sarah. How are you today?
Hello, doctor. I don't feel well. I have a headache, a sore throat, and I feel very tired.
I see. How long have you been feeling this way?
About 3 days now?
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I think so. My forehead feels very hot.
Any other symptoms? Cough, runny nose, or stomach problems?
I have a mild cough, but no stomach problems.
Have you taken any medicine?
I took some paracetamol yesterday, but it didn't help much.
Okay, let me check your temperature and look at your throat. Doctor checks temperature and examines throat. Your temperature is slightly high and your throat is red. It looks like a mild infection.
Oh no, is it serious?
No, it's not serious. You just need some medicine and rest. I will prescribe antibiotics and some medicine for your headache.
Thank you, doctor. How should I take them?
Take the medicine twice a day after meals. Drink lots of water and get plenty of rest. Avoid cold drinks for now.
Okay, how long will it take to feel better?
Usually 3 to 5 days. If your fever gets worse or your throat pain increases, come back immediately.
Thank you very much, doctor. I feel better knowing what to do.
You're welcome, Sarah. Take care and get well soon.